To enter and exit recovery mode, all you need to do is simply ensure that you have a laptop or a computer near you and a data transfer cable. Then from here, simply turn off your S26, and once it's been turned off, use your data cable to connect your phone to the computer. Once they've been connected, you should be able to see the charging animation appearing on your screen, telling you that the connection was being successful. From here, you're then going to long press on the side button and the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears, you're going to let go of the side button and continue pressing volume up until you enter recovery mode. So let's go ahead and do so. Side button, volume up, then long press and continue pressing until the logo appears. When it appears, let go of the side button and continue pressing volume up. And then simply wait for your device to enter recovery mode. Once you're in recovery mode, it should look something like this. So now all you need to do to navigate is use your volume up or volume down buttons to either go down with volume down or go up with volume up. To select an item, you're going to use your side button to select it. And then if you want to select again, just use your side button. If you wish to exit recovery mode, simply ensure that Reboot System Now has been selected and then use your side button to confirm that choice and simply wait for your phone to restart. Once it restarts, it should have successfully exited recovery mode. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.